Magic AI is one of the most exciting AI tools that's just been released, and today I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about this software before you dive in. Whether you're completely new to AI or a seasoned user, this review is packed with insights that'll help you understand why Magic AI is creating so much buzz. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing exactly who should use it and how you can try it for free. First off, Magic AI isn't just another tool, it's built to solve real-world problems with a simplicity that's hard to ignore. One of the biggest features Magic AI offers is its ability to instantly automate complex tasks that would typically take hours, saving users both time and effort. This isn't just for tech experts. Even beginners can get started without needing advanced skills. Another standout feature is Magic AI's flexibility. It doesn't matter if you're managing social media, content creation, or even customer support. This software can adapt to a variety of business needs. You can personalize it for your own workflow and adjust its outputs based on your specific needs. This adaptability makes it a strong choice for marketers, small business owners, and content creators alike. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI tools can be overwhelming with all the tech lingo and setup requirements, but Magic AI truly simplifies that process. The interface is clean, intuitive, and you can hit the ground running within minutes of signing up. No steep learning curve here, just quick deployment with a user-friendly design. And let's talk about accuracy, one of the main reasons you might want to use this over others. Magic AI uses advanced algorithms to ensure that the content it generates or the tasks it automates are both high quality and spot on. Whether it's writing product descriptions, generating reports, or handling customer inquiries, Magic AI ensures everything it produces meets a professional standard. But here's where Magic AI really shines: its deep learning capabilities. Unlike many AI tools, Magic AI actually improves over time. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and producing content that matches your unique style and needs. It learns from your inputs and adapts in real time, making it one of the most efficient AI tools on the market. Now let's talk pricing. Many high-quality AI tools come with hefty price tags, but Magic AI offers a competitive rate that's surprisingly affordable considering its feature set. And the best part? You can try it out completely free from the first link in the description below. This is your chance to see firsthand if Magic AI fits your needs without any commitment up front. Finally, while Magic AI is incredibly powerful, it's not perfect. Some advanced users may find that they need to fine-tune its settings or use additional integrations for more complex workflows. But even then, its core functionality still makes it a great option for anyone who needs to get things done faster and more efficiently. Before we wrap up, if you're still unsure whether Magic AI is the right tool for you, I have my recommended AI software options listed in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I trust to deliver great results. Don't forget to try Magic AI for free through the link in the description and see how it can elevate your productivity today.